There's a lot of noise out there when it comes to passive income. People making wild claims about earning thousands in their sleep while leaving out all the hard work it takes to get there. But here's the truth. Passive income is real, and it's absolutely possible, especially in 2025. The key is focusing on methods that have stood the test of time, not just chasing shiny objects that pop up for a few months and disappear. Now, don't get me wrong, passive income doesn't mean zero work. It usually means you do a fair bit of upfront effort to set things up, but once it's done, it keeps working in the background, sometimes for years, with minimal maintenance. That's what we're aiming for. Not instant riches, but consistent, long-term income that gives you time, freedom, and peace of mind. Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. If that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Let's go through 3 passive income ideas that still work in 2025 and, more importantly, are still worth doing. These are tried and true methods that continue to help people all over the world earn real money online. And the best part is, you don't need to be an expert or have a heap of cash to get started. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been around for decades, and it's still one of the best and most accessible ways to build passive income. You don't need to create your own product, deal with customer support, or worry about delivery. You're simply recommending someone else's product and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. What makes affiliate marketing work so well in 2025 is that there are more products than ever, and platforms have gotten smarter with tracking and payouts. And with AI tools like ChatGPT, it's easier to create content around your affiliate products quickly and efficiently. Evergreen products. Instead of chasing the latest launch, I always recommend starting with evergreen products. These are products that sell consistently year after year because they solve ongoing problems. For example, tools like keyword research software, email marketing platforms, or landing page builders. Products like Aweber, GetResponse, and Systeme.io are solid examples. They're always in demand, and once someone signs up, you can earn recurring monthly commissions for as long as they stay subscribed. You can also promote digital learning platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. These tools are useful, affordable, and easy to introduce to people. Creating evergreen content. You can promote these products in blog posts, YouTube videos, email sequences, or even inside your own digital products. The goal is to create content that keeps getting traffic over time. For example, a YouTube video titled "The Best Email Marketing Tool for Beginners" can rank for years and keep bringing in commissions without any extra work. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that it pairs perfectly with the next passive income stream. 2. YouTube. YouTube is still one of the most powerful platforms out there when it comes to passive income. And no, you don't have to be famous, good-looking, or even appear on camera if you don't want to. In 2025, faceless channels are more popular than ever, and AI tools have made video creation faster and easier. YouTube gives you 2 main ways to earn money. First, once you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn ad revenue from your videos. That means every time someone watches one of your videos and sees an ad, you get paid a small amount. And while that might sound small, over time and with a lot of videos, it adds up. But the second way, which is often even more profitable, is combining YouTube with affiliate marketing. You can create review videos, comparison videos, or tutorials that show how a product works, and then include an affiliate link in the description. Monetizing review videos. Let's say you're reviewing an AI tool that helps people write ebooks or create landing pages. You could walk through the features, give your honest opinion, and let people know what you like and don't like. Then you drop your affiliate link below the video, and if someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. If it's a subscription product, that commission can be monthly and keep coming in without you having to do anything extra. You don't even have to record your voice if you don't want to. Tools like TTS OpenAI can generate realistic voiceovers, and CapCut or Pictory can help you turn text scripts into full videos with visuals, music, and even auto captions. That's perfect for creators who want to stay behind the scenes. Getting monetized. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in 90 days. While it sounds like a lot, it's doable with consistent uploads and valuable content. Once you're in, you'll start earning from ads, which gives you another income stream stacked on top of your affiliate earnings. The beauty of YouTube is that videos can work for you 24/7, even while you sleep, and people can find your content years after you post it. That's the definition of passive. 3. Selling digital products. Now for the third passive income idea, and this is one of my personal favorite, selling digital products. This includes ebooks, templates, printables, planners, mini courses, or anything that can be delivered digitally. The reason I love this one is because you create something once and then you can sell it over and over again with no extra effort. There's no shipping, no inventory, and no customer service beyond the occasional email. You can sell digital products on platforms like Gumroad, PayHip, or even your own website. Some people sell on Etsy if their products are more design focused, like printable journals, planners. If you're more business focused, you can create templates, checklists, or how-to guides that people can download and use straight away. Creating the product. You can use ChatGPT to help write your ebook or outline your course, use Canva to design it, and package it into a PDF or video format. You don't need to overthink it. A simple, valuable guide that solves one problem is often better than a massive course that overwhelms people. For example, if you're in the budgeting niche, you could sell a 30-day budget planner or a debt snowball worksheet. If you're in digital marketing, maybe a mini course on setting up a basic email funnel. And if you're in productivity, maybe a printable habit tracker or time-blocking schedule. Automating sales. The best part about selling digital products is that the whole system can be automated. You can have a checkout page, an email sequence that delivers the product, and maybe even upsell them something extra after they buy. Once that's all set up, you just send traffic to the product page and the rest happens automatically. Remember, you can promote your digital products inside your YouTube videos just like affiliate links. That way, you're building your authority, growing your channel, and creating multiple income streams that support each other. Combining all three, here's where the magic happens. These three ideas don't have to live in their own little boxes. In fact, they work even better when you combine them. Let's say you have a YouTube channel where you talk about productivity. You review an AI planner tool and include your affiliate link in the video description. You also offer your own digital printable planner for sale, which complements the tool. And because your video is ranking well on YouTube, people find it every day. Click your links, buy your products, and you earn money passively. That's how you create a real system that brings in money without you having to be constantly online or constantly selling. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share? And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.